गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हम क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एव्स के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे। आज के लेक्चर में हम बचे हुए क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसके अंदर हम मॉडर्न फिशेस के क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे। हमने 5 इसके ऑर्डर्स पढ़ लिए थे। अब हम 6th ऑर्डर की तरफ आते हैं, जो कि लिविंग ऑर्डर है, पॉडेसिडिफॉर्म्स। ये जो पॉडेसिफॉर्म्स है, इसके अंदर ये ज़्यादातर जो बर्ड्स हैं ये एक्वेटिक होती हैं, जो कि वॉक नहीं कर सकती, ऑन अ लैंड एंड फ्लाइटलेस होती हैं। सारा जीवन ये पानी के अंदर ही बिताती हैं। ये अपने एग्स जो हैं वो भी पानी में ही देती हैं, उसके अंदर नेस्ट बनाती है। फ्लोटिंग टाइप ऑफ नेस्ट इनका होता है। इसके अंदर जो करेक्टर्स हैं वो इसके अंदर वेब फीड्स आते हैं, जो कि पोस्टीरियरली सिचुएटेड होते हैं। इसके एग्जाम्पल जो है वो पॉडेसिफॉर्म, ये जो पिक्चर दे रखी है साइड पे, ये इसकी पॉडेसिफॉर्म की पिक्चर है, जो कि पूर्ण रूप से इक्वेटिक होती हैं। द 7th ऑर्डर इज स्फेनिसिफॉर्म। इसके अंदर अगर हम देखें तो ये सॉलिड होते हैं, लाइक ए मैमल स्ट्रक्चर। इसके अंदर असेसरी एयर सेक्स आर एब्सेंट इन अ लंग्स, जो कि बर्ड्स का मेन कैरेक्टर होता है। एंडोस्केलेटन जो होता है वो भी सॉलिड होता है। तो ये जो फॉर्म है, इसका एग्जाम्पल तुम बहुत अच्छे से इन बर्ड्स को जानते हो, जिसके अंदर हम पेंगुइन्स को पढ़ते हैं। ये दे लॉस द पावर ऑफ फ्लाइट। इसके अंदर फ्लाइट जैसी कोई पावर नहीं होती, और स्पेशलाइज होते हैं एक्वेटिक लाइफ के लिए। दे स्विम बाय मीन्स ऑफ 4 लिम्स। 4 लिम्स इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जो कि फ्लिपर्स के रूप में होते हैं और तैरने के काम आते हैं। द थिक फैट लेयर इज प्रेजेंट अंडर द स्किन। एयर सेक्स एब्सेंट होते हैं इसके अंदर, और बोन जो होती है एंडोस्केलेटन की, वो सॉलिड होती हैं। दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पेंगुइन्स। द स्पेनिसिफॉर्म के अंदर जो ऑर्डर पढ़ते हैं उसके अंदर एग्जाम्पल है पेंगुइन्स। द नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर इज प्रोसेलेरिफॉर्म। इनकी जो बर्ड्स होती हैं, ये बर्ड्स बहुत ही मॉडिफाइड होती हैं ओशनिक लाइफ के लिए, और बहुत ही वेरी लार्ज होती हैं, बड़ी होती हैं। और इसके अंदर लॉन्ग नैरो विंग्स आर स्पेशलाइज्ड फॉर द सोअरिंग फ्लाइट्स। ऊपर की तरफ फ्लाइट्स के लिए ये अडेप्टेड होती हैं। इनके अंदर जो बीक है वो हुक लाइक होती है। इस इज द करेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ दिस प्रोसेलेरिफॉर्म्स। और दे लैक 1 वाइट एग ऑफन इन बरो। ये बरोज के अंदर अपने एग्स देती हैं। इसका एग्जाम्पल जो है फ्यूनिसिफॉर्म्स, ये एल्बेट्रॉस, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस प्रोसेलिफॉर्म्स। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर इज पेलिकनिफॉर्म्स। इसके अंदर पेलिकन्स आती हैं। These are the aquatic bird, much modified for the diving and fishing. They make the spectacular dives when fishing. Wings are very long. ये pelicans जो है अजमेर के अंदर भी आती हैं। Wings are very long, webbed feet होती हैं, each contain for 4 digits. Beaks are very long. The nest in colonies or rocks or trees. The eggs are usually unspotted and covered with a roughly chalky substance. इसके अंदर Phalacroconus, cormorants, इसका the pelicans are the example of this pelicaniforms. Next is Siconiforms. These are the birds which has long-legged birds living mostly in the marshes area, and beaks and necks are long in size. All are strong flyers and some of them perform extensive migrations. इसके अंदर भी migration पाई जाती है. Next are usually in colonies and may be used year after year. Eggs are fused and unspotted. The example of these are storks and herons. These are the example, and flamingos are the example of Siconiform. These are the migratory birds. The next order is Anseriforms. These are the group of birds with specialized for the aquatic life. The characteristic feature of this is the flattened build is externally covered by the hard epidermis. इसके अंदर hard epidermis से इनकी beak जो है वो covered होती है, जिससे ये black beak structure इसके अंदर नजर आती है. Legs are webbed, numerous egg laid that are usually white or pale in color, and our next is usually built on the ground. The example of these anseriforms are ducks and swans. These are the example of these anseriforms. The next order is falconiform. Falcons are the example of this falconiform. Eagle, buzzard, vulture are the example of falconiforms. The birds are having sharp, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड कर्व्ड बिल्स, इसके अंदर ही कर्व्ड बिल्स इसके अंदर पाई जाती हैं. पावरफुल फीट्स होते हैं प्रोवाइडेड विद ए कर्व क्लॉड्स डिजिट. These are the bird of prey that hunt by day. The retina of the eyes contain mainly cones. The eggs few in number and usually spotted. Next are usually made on the cliff treetops and other inaccessible places. इसके अंदर जो एग्जाम्पल है वो ईगल और वल्चर्स का होता है. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर है गैलीफॉर्म्स. ये जो हैं इसके अंदर गैलीफॉर्म्स इसके अंदर जो है गैलस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ गैलीफॉर्म्स. द जंगल फाउल ऑफ इंडिया. इसके अंदर अगर देखें तो हेड इज मार्कली स्मॉलर इन रिलेशन टू द बॉडी साइज. बहुत ही छोटा इसके अंदर हेड होता है. पावरफुल लेग्स होते हैं. पजेस क्लॉज डिजिट. दीज आर मेनली टेरेस्ट्रियल गेम ईटिंग बर्ड्स कैपेबल ओनली फॉर शॉर्ट रैपिड फ्लाइट. बहुत छोटी छोटी फ्लाइट्स ये लेते हैं. द पैलेट्स डिफर फ्रॉम बोथ दैट ऑफ Retiles and most modern fishes suggested as early diverged from the strout. These are marked difference in the plumage and sometimes in size between the sexes. Sexual dimorphism present होता है इसका. The eggs are numerous, plain or spotted. Young develop very quickly after birth and nest usually made on ground. The gallus is the example of this. Peacock is also the example of this galleriforms. The next is gruiforms. इसके अंदर जो example है these are the terrestrial bird as are comparatively laterally. Omnivorous birds होती हैं living in the marshy countryside. These are long-legged bird can swim, run and drive easily. But the poor flyer, they build simple nests and lay numerous often dark spotted eggs. The example of these guliforms is the cranes, cracks and gulinuda. These are the example of these gruiforms. The next order is caridiforms. These caridiforms is the example of calidaries है ना. Sandpiper is the example of caridiforms. They have long leg with 3 clawed digits in each leg. They possess long bills and feed chiefly on small invertebrates. Water के अंदर जो invertebrates हैं उनके ऊपर feed करती हैं. The birds live mainly on the ground, open water places or marshy area. They are usually gregarious out of breeding season and are often very numerous on the seashore. Seashore के पास ये ज़्यादातर पाई जाती हैं और ब्रीडिंग सीजन के दौरान इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा खाने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है, ग्रेगेरियस हो जाती है. The next order is graviforms. The general characters of these graviforms are they are the birds of open water, feeding mainly on the fishes. Legs are webbed, wings are very weak and they cannot fly. These are known as the drivers or loons. The example of these graviforms is Gravia. The next order is columbiforms. The example of this columbiform is pigeon or dodo, which is the extinct. Dodo is the extinct bird. These are the tree living, grain or fruit eating birds. Well developed wings make them good flyers. Head, neck, legs are smaller in comparison to the body size. They are the little sexual dimorphism. Nest is usually simple and eggs normally 1 or 2 and white. Youngs are born underdeveloped and are nourished by the milk secreting by the crop. The next order is cuculiform. These are the good flyer and possess broad wing. Legs possess 4 cork digits to anterly and other backwardly placed. The females lay mostly in the nest of the single foster species और legs जो eggs हैं वो strongly mimic करते हैं those of the host. The example of this common cuculus. The 19th order is Pisticiform. This pisticiform, in which the example of this pisticiforms is the parrot or pistula. इसके अंदर beaks are hard, upper beak is movable, articulated with the skull. The first and fourth digit of the legs are backwardly articulated. They are predominantly vegetarian and make use of the beak of breaking open shell. The eggs are laid in the holes and are white and round. The period of parental care after hatching is usually long, 2 to 3 months. The example of this is parrot or cockatoo. The next order is Stragiforms. These are the specialized bird for hunting in the night. The example of these Stragiforms are owl, little owl, brown owl, tiny owls. These are the this order is mainly for this mainly known for the owls. These are the specialized for the hunting in the night. The eyes contain mostly rods. The eyes are very large and directed forward, and they cannot be moved in the orbit. They detect their prey mainly by the sound and shows various specialization in the laterally placed ear. The feathers are so arranged as to make very little noise in flight. The food is swallowed whole. The baked, well-developed beaks are well-developed and covered. Claws are very sharp and strong. Eggs are white and laid in holes. The example of these stragiforms are the owl. The next order is Capri mulgiforms. These birds are also nocturnal birds feeding on insects taken on wings. Mustaches like feathers are present on both sides of the mouth. Legs are weak and small. Two molted eggs are laid on the Barbie ground. The example of this is Caprimulgus nightjars and Pederus frogmouth. These are the example of Caprimulgus forms. The next order is Apodiforms. These apodiforms wings are very long, composed of short humerus and long distal segment. Shifts are insectivorous. These are also called as shift birds. These are insectivorous and have very large mouth adapted for feeding on wings. Tongues of the hummingbird is tubular and long. Nests are made in holes or by attached brackets, cells or pocket-like structure on the trees, cliffs or buildings. The eggs are white and youngs are helpless at birth. The example of these apodiforms are Apus swift and Trochilus. This is the hummingbird. These are the example of apodiform. The next order is coliforms. The legs are very small and possess sharp covered claws in the digit. Tail is extremely long as seen in this picture. This is the coleus or mouse bird. The next is Trogoniforms. The distal end of the beak is hook-like or curved. The first and the second digit of the leg is backwardly directed, and while third and fourth are anteriorly directed. The example of this Trogoniforms are Trogon. The 25th order name is Coraciforms. The legs are long and well developed. Three anterior toes are united. These are mainly tropical and found brightly colored. The nests are usually made in holes and eggs are white. The example of these are Merops, Bee-eater or Alcedo kingfisher. These are the example of these coraciforms. The 26th order is Pisiform. These are the highly specialized in the climbing. They are insectivorous and wood-bearing birds. Bills is very hard and powerful. Tongues is long and protrusible and using for removing insect from beneath the bark. The tail feather are usually to support the bird and is climb in the tree trunk. The second and third digits of the leg is anteriorly placed, and fourth and first digit are backwardly directed. Nest is made in hole in a tree and the eggs are white. The example of these speciforms are the woodpecker or puff birds, as is seen in first two picture. The last order is Passeriforms. This Passeriform, the example of these Passeriforms are passer, crows, and finches and house sparrows. They are generally four-toed birds. First digit is posteriorly placed and other are anteriorly. The digits are typically arranged to allow the gripping for the perch. They having the complicated nesting behavior. Eggs are brightly colored and elaborate mark. These are the 28 order, in which one is extinct, which we was studied in the previous lecture. This is about the general character and classification of the aves, and the next class is on the general character and classification of the mammoth. Thank you very much.